Okay, today we're going to practice cutting and tracing. I would like for you to find this paper that says Tracing Practice with Straight Lines. At the top, you can write your name. This paper does not need to come back to me. I don't need to see it because we're going to be cutting it up. So you can take this out of your packet and use it for what we're about to do. First thing, you'll see all these lines right here. On the lines, we're going to practice drawing straight lines by tracing. Tracing is when we use our pencil to go over something that's already there. So we're going to start on this side, and we're going to draw a line all the way over to the very end. Ready? I'm going to use my pencil. You can use anything. If you wanted to do a crayon or a pencil, that is just fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 lines that need to be traced. If you're still tracing, you can pause the video until you finish tracing your lines. What we're going to do next is we're going to cut our lines. We are introducing scissors into our classroom this week. Here's a pair of scissors. Go ahead and grab a pair of scissors at your house, and I'm going to teach you a little song. It goes like this. Open, shut, open, shut. This is the way we cut, cut, cut. Fingers on the bottom, thumb on the top. Do not let the paper drop. So if you have your fingers on the bottom and you have your thumb on the top, so your thumb will be closest to your face, it will be up, then you'll be able to cut a little bit easier. We'll see if that works for you. You're gonna go, and on the first line, we're gonna cut straight across. Try to stay as straight as you can. Then you're gonna hold on with the other hand to your paper so it can help you kind of steady and make that nice straight line. Open, shut, open, shut. This is the way we cut, cut, cut. Fingers on the bottom, thumb on the top. Do not let the paper drop. Sometimes our paper drops, and we just pick it right back up and keep going. Okay, moving on to the second one. This is gonna make a whole bunch of little strips of paper. There we go. I tried to stay as much as I could right on the dotted lines and went all the way across. Here's the next one. Open, shut, open, shut. This is the way we cut, cut, cut. Fingers on the bottom, thumb on the top. Do not let the paper drop. Okay, here's the next one. You can do this at your own pace. We're all practicing. Some of us might need more practice, and that is just fine. Some of you might already know how to cut. That's just fine too. Okay, once you've done all the lines, you might need to pause so you can finish. You should have 4 little strips of paper and maybe a medium-sized paper and a big paper where your name is. I don't need to see these papers again, so you can do whatever you would like with them. You can toss them in the recycle bin, you can draw on them, whatever you'd like. All right? We use scissors a lot in kindergarten, so we want to make sure we're holding them the right way. Fingers on the bottom, thumb on the top. Okay? Practice cutting, and I'll talk to you soon.